Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see about list data structure in the Python. Okay. So what are list data structure? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay. And second thing is that lists are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicates. We will see all this with the example. Let's read it first. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0, second item has index 1, and so on. And some property of list are they are ordered, they can be changed, and we can allow duplicate value in the list. Okay. So now let us try by creating a list. Okay. So how we can create a list? For creating a list, we have to do. Suppose we are making new list is equal to like this. So this will create the new list, like a square opening a square bracket and closing a square bracket. This will create the new list. So let us check whether the new list has been created or not. How we can check that? There is a functionality in the Python that is type. It will return the type of the item before the by using that we can get the which type of current item is that. Okay. So if we will write print type of new list, control enter, then see here we are getting the output class new list. Okay. So we can create a new list by this way, or we can also create the new list by another way also, like using the list constructor. Suppose new list bay 2 is equal to, we can create by using list constructor. Okay. So now let us again try to print the type of the new list. Where to? We will do that print type of new list where to, and when we will run this, then we again get the class new list. Okay. So we have seen that where to they create the new list. Okay. So but the question rises, why we needed the list when we were able to do all these things with the help of variables? Why the need of the list has been came? Okay. So suppose consider a case like we have to store a like there is a village and we want to store the name of all the people in the village. Okay. So for naming storing all the name of all the people of the village, we have to store in the form of, like we have to name each one and store each value in this name. But there is another way, like we can create a list in which we can store all the elements. We didn't need to create the name of all the variables. Okay. We will not create the name of all variables. We'll just create a single variable, and in that we can store the name of all the people in that. Okay. So let us do that example, like name of people. Okay, is equal to, suppose one is Ram, second is Mohan, and third one is A, B, and so on. Okay. So in this way we can create. Okay. So we didn't need to create the each variable name. We can store each of the people in a single variable, like name of the people. Okay. So in this way we can create. Okay. If we will print name of, if we will print name of people, then we will get all that Ram, Mohan, A, B, and C, so on. Okay. So in this way we can create. Okay. Now the question arises, we have created the list of all the people. Now how to access them? Like we have created, now how to get? Okay. How they get of the people? So basically here it is stored in the form of the index, like is the address of that element or that particular element. Okay. So suppose we have a list of people like Ram, Mohan, A, B, and C, and so on. Okay. And we have put in the list in such a way that the Ram is at the 0th place, Mohan is at the 1st place, A is at the 2th place, B at the 3rd place, and C at the 4th place, and so on. So if we want to get any particular element, then we can just print that index of that element. Okay. Suppose we want to get the name of people of 2. Okay. So then what we will get? So guess, and in guess, like we can get like let us try to run. Okay. Okay. Name of people of 2. We have run. We have get the A. Okay. So this one Ram is at the 0th index. This is at the 0th index. Mohan is at the 1st index, and A is at the 2 index. Okay. So in this way, indexing is done in the case of the Python list data structure. Okay. So the first one is at the 0th index. Mohan is at the 1st index. A is at the 2nd index. B at the 3rd index, and C at the 4th index. Okay. So generally, indexing is done in the form of 0 to length of that particular list minus 1. Okay. So in this way, we can do that. And the third one is that we can also change, like list items are changeable. Suppose if we do name of people of 2 is equal to change. Now we will print name of people, then we will get Ram Mohan changed B and C. So in this way, we can also change. We can change the value of any particular element, like any particular index. We can change, like we can replace. Okay. So this is one of the benefits. And third one is that it can allow duplicates. So we can also store duplicate elements in that. Let us see by example. Let's suppose our list is 1, 3, 4, 5. We can again store 5, 5, and so on, 6, 7, and 7, so on. If we will print L, we will get the all the elements. Like we can also store duplicate elements in that list. Okay. So we get the in the same way, like 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, and so. Okay, so that's was all for this lecture. We will again meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep coding.